Hey guys, I have a 87 Bronco. It's 351 carbureted with a C6 automatic transmission. And I was looking on the forums, I can't find anything. I've tried everything that everybody said, and nobody said anything about a neutral safety switch on the transmission. So that's why I'm making this video, to save hopefully some of you guys some time. Took a pretty bad hit in the back, slamming down while I was going through some woods, and everything ran fine, but I turn it off and then go to leave, turn it back on, nothing. So across the terminals on the starter solenoid, that worked fine, starter's good. I wasn't getting any power to the signal wire on the solenoid. So tested it here, right here, wasn't getting any power from the key. So tried to follow the wire, make sure it was still intact. Nothing crazy. Wires look like crap, but then I went to the ignition, checked fuses, and then I took the two bolts off to get the steering column to drop down. You take these off as well, and then there's a little slide switch in there from your key. When you turn it, it slides forward and backward to either put it in start mode, run, or accessories. And then that was working fine. So then I kept moving around. The wire you're looking for it's red with a light blue stripe, and that's your signal wire. It starts at the ignition, and it moves out into the cab or the engine bay, and then down to the transmission neutral safety switch. And nobody said anything about that. So this is why I'm making this video. And it is right here. You can see that. There's your neutral safety switch, and then the wires go around right there. And what I did at the switch, I just connected the two red and light blue striped wire, and it's a good temporary fix, or temporary to permanent fix. I'm just too cheap to buy a new one, $60. So yeah, if you're having any problems with no start and everything else seems fine, look for your neutral safety switch. And hopefully this video saves you some time. See you guys.